Hello, may I introduce myself? My name is Fabian Palimar from English for Computer to Mercubuana University class. This time, I will discuss about information technology and social media industrial revolution 4.0. Do you know the change the industrial revolution from time to time? And do you know revolution affect any field? Do you know the impact of social media in society? Well, in this video, I will discuss how change the 4.0 industrial revolution occurred, but in the information technology and social media. The industrial revolution simply means that a radical change in the way human produce gas. This big change has been recorded three times. Currently, the fourth industrial revolution is taking place. They change occurred in various fields, ranging from education, economy, military, and culture. Every change that occurs involves information technology that marks significant change in the use of the internet. Currently, every activity always utilizes the internet. Even without the internet, many activities are difficult to carry out. For example, the company use the internet to carry out company operation, exchange information and data, conduct transaction up to important meeting with various partners between countries in the field of education. Information technology also has an important role, such as the role of the teacher, who has been the provider of knowledge, as if there's no what away from it. In the future, the role of presence of teacher in classroom will be interesting, challenging, and require very high creativity. Industry 4.0 is the name of the trend of industrial automatic system where there is a change of less data in factory technology. Technological advance in Industrial Revolution 4.0 created 1001 new sensor and 1001 ways to take advantage of the information obtained from the sensor that record everything 24 hour a day. This information even concern the performance of its human employee. For example, now the company can track the movement of all and every employee while they are in the factory. The biggest advance in 4.0 technology is a machine learning, which is a machine that has the ability to learn, which can realize it that is making mistake so that it makes the right correction to improve the next result. This can be illustrated by the story AlphaZero and AI. Prior to machine learning, a computer performance is tasked being instructed by humans. Change advance in technology can also be seen in the field of the communication. Communication is which used to face-to-face and using manual tools have to now become very easy. With computer and smartphone, human can communicate with anyone without having to meet in person. The communication media used by human in the industrial era 4.0 mostly switched to digital product. This media is better known as social networking media or social media. In Indonesia, the most active user of social media are teenagers, especially girls. In fact, not a few do have more than one social media account such as Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Social media is used to build communication socially with other people even across countries. Many also use social media for selling online to social activity. In the industrial era 4.0, humans were given various kinds of the facilities in accessing information. Only with communication media in the form of the smartphone or smart computer can we access a lot of information in the form of news and picture across country. Communication media that are currently forwarded by communicating exponential are social media such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and others. Social media is used in many communication and also for self-extension. Imperceptibly, social media has very many benefits. Social media was created to make communication easier, especially in the industrial era 4.0 with increasingly technology. The process of communication to communication media is increasingly with increasing feature. The social media will have a bad impact if there is a boss in using it. This bad impact can be viewed from several aspects, such as physiological, health, and social aspect. In social aspect, the impact that when in see interaction, indirect social interaction, based the result of observation on interview with five vulnerable female students aged 17 to 20 years, and the criteria for active social media user as respondents said they felt more expensive when communicating through social media. However, for personal matters, they feel safe with when communicating directly with friend or relative they trust. And because they know personal story and they consider secret to be recorded in the digital world. In addition, they also do not want to other person share personal story with the by attaching it evident in from screenshot the result of the conversation. However, for personal matter, they feel safe when communicating directly with friend or relative they trust. This in becomes they done with personal story and they consider secret to record by digital world. Besides, they also don't want to other person to share personal story with other by attaching uh, evidence in form of screenshot of result of the conversation. Other respondents said they feel more courageous in speaking and expressing themselves through social media because communicating face to face sometimes makes them nervous. This kind of situation occurs when dealing with uh, someone who has to not meet for a long time or with someone who is considered to have higher status that than the respondent. So the impact of industrial revolution on social media is both uh, negative and positive impact in Indonesia or the world. Thank you very much.